Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into something super straightforward but essential: how to log in to your Marcus online banking account. Whether you're a new user or just need a quick refresher, this guide will have you accessing your accounts in no time. Marcus, powered by Goldman Sachs, offers secure online banking for savings, loans, and more, making it easy to manage your finances on the go. First things first, grab your device and open your preferred web browser. Head over to the official Marcus website by typing in www.marcus.com or searching for Marcus by Goldman Sachs on Google. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Login button. It's usually right at the top of the page. Click on that, and you'll be taken to the login screen. Now, enter your username. This is the email address or unique ID you set up when you first created your account. Next, type in your password. Remember, passwords are case sensitive, so double check that you're entering it correctly. For added security, Marcus might prompt you for two-factor authentication. This could be a code sent to your phone via text or an authenticator app. Just follow the on-screen instructions to verify it's really you. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your dashboard, where you can view your balances, transfer funds, or pay bills. Pro tip: if you're using a public computer, make sure to log out after you're done to keep your information safe. But what if you run into issues? If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link on the login page. You'll be guided through a reset process, often involving email verification. If you're still having trouble, check your internet connection or try a different browser. And if nothing works, Marcus has excellent customer support. Reach out via their help center or phone line. There you have it. Logging into Marcus online banking is quick and secure. Give it a try, and if you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more finance tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.